In this video, we'll see how to make delicious baked Maggi. Definitely not a 2-minute Maggi, but this Maggi tastes absolutely amazing. Let's get started. For the vegetables, heat 2 teaspoon oil in a pan or kadhai. Add 1 teaspoon finely chopped garlic and you need to saute it for a few seconds till the raw smell is gone. Now add 1 small sized finely chopped onion and you need to saute it till it slightly becomes pink, not brown in color. Then add capsicum, carrot, sweet corn, 1 small chopped tomato, half cup cabbage. Yes, you know how cabbage makes momo so tasty, so definitely add this vegetable in this Maggi. It tastes absolutely amazing. Mix well. And now add 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon mixed Italian herbs. These days this is very easily available in supermarkets or grocery stores. Salt as per taste. Make sure you add salt only as per the vegetables because Maggi masala already has salt in it. A little water. Mix well and you can cover this and cook for 2 to 3 minutes between low to medium flame. And once the vegetables are done, you need to take them out in a bowl and keep them aside. Now boil 1 cup water and then add 1 Maggi taste maker and 1 packet of Maggi noodles. So for this recipe we're using 1 packet. And just like you cook your Maggi, you need to cook these noodles. Plain and simple. This Maggi is now done. I'm transferring it to a ceramic tray. If you have any heat-proof tray, you can use that for this recipe. If you do not have anything of this sort, you can use your cake mold. Line it with some oil and then add your Maggi. Spread it evenly like this. Keep it aside for a while. In a kadhai, add 2 tablespoons milk. I have also included our homemade malai in it. This is the malai which collects at the top of milk when you boil it. In case you do not have it, just add 2 tablespoons milk and then add 1 cheese slice. Mix it really well, keep the flame low and you would notice that the cheese slice would really melt nicely with the milk and cream. And only milk if you're using only milk. This is ready. Let's preheat the kadhai. So this is my regular setup, half cup salt, a stand, and I'm going to cover it with a lid and preheat at medium flame for 10 minutes. I have given OTG or convection instructions later in this video. Now you need to spread the vegetable which we had prepared on the Maggi. So 1 layer of Maggi and another layer of a lot of vegetables. Tasty vegetables. And drop in the cheese sauce. 1/4 cup mozzarella cheese. If you do not have it, you can just grate 1 processed cheese cube. Half teaspoon mixed Italian herbs, so just sprinkle, or you can also sprinkle some crushed black pepper here. This is ready to be baked. You can see the convection or OTG instructions on the screen. And now I'm going to bake this in my kadhai setup. So in the preheated pan or kadhai, you need to bake this at medium flame for 10 minutes and then lower the flame and then bake for 5 minutes. Our baked Maggi is ready to serve. Serve it right away. You can have it directly from the tray or you can just scoop it out or take it out like lasagna. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.